This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Quantum LC19 is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 20 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 3, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, TV, awning, LP detector, water heater, air conditioning, smoke detector. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, U-shaped dinette. This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Quantum LC19 is built on a Chevrolet chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.